Hi, my name is Jade and I'm in Toronto, Canada. I'm a singer, songwriter, a pianist, a composer, and plays many different instruments such as the piano, the guitar, and the ukulele. I want to make a video right now because I own this lovely ENYA NOVA ukulele, and it's the slimline. I have the acoustic one, and I'm in my circle of friends and we were wondering how to change the strings on these ukuleles, because if you can see, it's a different bridge, and it's not like through the open hole as with some of the other ukuleles that I've seen. So I'm going to make a tutorial and show you how to do it. You first go to the headstock, loosen the pegs. And then, you see here where the hole is, you're just gonna pull that out and it comes out the knot. You do that for every one of them. Towards you, that hole there. There you go. Then you take these ENYA lovely strings of new strings out of the package, and you're gonna see this. Now unravel it. Then you get to see these numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're the number of strings. Number 1 is the furthest from you. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So as you can see, I took number 1, and then I'm going to tie a knot at the end. What I like to do is tie a couple of knots so it can fit through the hole, and then put it through the string hole here. See, into the circle, and then slip it through this narrow part here and pull like that. See, now it's tight. Now you go all the way to the end and basically put it through the first peg and tighten it. Here's string 3. If you need a refresher again, take the number off. I keep forgetting to mention. Tie a knot at the end of the string. I like to tie in 2. And then you loop it through the hole. Yeah. See that? And then you pull in the narrow part of that little groove there. There you go. And happy tightening. See? 2, 3, 4, all strong. I hope you find this tutorial really helpful and it was very useful, and I hope that you keep enjoying your ukuleles.